my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Solana token directly to your Trust wallet, and this is totally free. I'm going to show you how I made 0.002 Solana and I've been able to withdraw this to my Trust wallet. As you can see on my, if you check a list of my videos, you will see that I made a video about this platform, and this platform is actually paying, and I've been able to withdraw this to my wallet. Okay, I've been able to withdraw this to my wallet. On this on this mining, you don't have to waste money, you don't have to invest any money on this. This is totally free. Okay, although we have the investment package, and if you want to go ahead and invest, do well to carry out your own research to avoid losing your money. Okay, make a proper research before you invest your money on this, and make sure to invest what you can afford to lose, because online investment are not trusted. So do well to carry out your proper research before investing on any online business. Okay, do well to carry out your own research before investing on any online business. And also, if you're on my channel, if anybody happens to ask you or send you a message requesting for money on behalf of me, just know that the person is trying to scam you. I will not ask you for any money. Please beware of scammers. Okay, and also do well to join my Telegram group, because I'll be posting videos there. Okay, so do well to join my Telegram group, and then follow me on my Twitter handle as well to get an update like this. And if you're there, you haven't subscribed, you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also share this video with a friend, because this is a very big opportunity to make money online. Okay, this is a very big opportunity to make money online, though it's small, but this site is actually paying. Okay, it's actually paying. Now what you have to do to get this airdrop, for those of you who have done it already and you've just forgotten about this Solana mining, maybe you did it the first time I posted a video about this, you registered, and you are not, maybe you just forget about it, maybe you thought it's not going to pay or what. So now you have to go back to this mining, because this platform, it's super legit. This is super legit. I'll be showing you my withdrawal proof. I just made a withdrawal today, and within it was not up to 5 minutes, and I got it on my Trust wallet. So I recommend this site to anybody out there. Share this video with your friends. Okay, share it, because this site is actually paying, and there is also an investment plans here. There is an investment plans, and if you want to go ahead to invest, also do well to carry out your diligent research before investing your money on this, because I will not be held responsible if you happen to lose your fund. Remember, online things are not trusted, so before you invest, do well to carry out your proper research. Okay, research about this before you invest your money into this. So the wallet I recommend for this is Trust wallet, because Trust wallet can receive any amount of token that you, even if it's 0.1, it will receive it, while other exchange has their own limit. So you have to check their minimum token before you go ahead and using maybe Binance or any other local exchange. But for Trust wallet, you can send any amount of token, whether it's small, whether it's big, you can send it, and it will just enter without losing your money. But if you happen to use local exchange, go and check their minimum receivable before you use it. Go and check the minimum there before you put in the contract address, because if you happen to send it without checking their minimum their minimum what am I supposed to say, okay, their minimum receivable, your coin will be lost. If you don't check, because all the exchange has the minimum they can take. Okay, so go ahead and check it before you send your token there. If not, you will lose all your minings, you will lose everything. So guys, you have to just copy your wallet address from maybe Trust wallet or MetaMask, and then you paste it. Okay, paste the Solana wallet, and then click on connect. At first I doubted the site, I never knew that it's gonna pay. So guys, this site is paying. Okay, all you got to do is just to click on the wallet and connect it. Once you connect it, you just need to allow it to mine, to accumulate this Solana for you, and then you come back. Once you get to 0.002, which is the minimum withdrawal, you just need to click on withdraw, and you will get it within 5 minutes. You're going to see it on your wallet. Make sure to use Trust Wallet. That's the platform. That's the wallet. Sorry, the wallet I can recommend for you is Trust Wallet. Go ahead and make use of Trust Wallet, okay? And then mine this, accumulate this token as much as you can, and then withdraw directly to your wallet. I'm going to show you my withdrawal proof. Okay, I'm going to show you my withdrawal proof on this site. So I'm just having a network issue. Please bear with me until you come up. Okay, now the Solana here, Solana market price here is $19. So one Solana is $19. If you happen to mine, to accumulate this to one Solana, you're going to make $19 from it. Okay, if you happen to mine one Solana, it's $19. And for those of you that are investing, please carry out proper research before investing your money, before risking your money on this platform. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh my page because it's actually slow. I'm having a network issue here, so just stay tuned. I'm going to come back again. So guys, as you can see here, my minings has started again. I've already withdrawn the first one, and the minimum to withdraw out here is 0.002, as you can see here. Okay, 0.002 is the minimum you can withdraw for the free mining. Okay, you withdraw once you mine up to 0.002, you can be able to withdraw it to your wallet. Okay, so I've been able to withdraw this token. At first I doubted it, but I've been able to withdraw. So I recommend this site. If you have already abandoned the site, go back again. There's not much work here to do. All you got to do is to go copy your Solana wallet address and then paste it, and it will automatically mine for you without having to invest any money on this. It will just mine for you. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my withdrawal. Let's go to my withdrawal history, and then let's go to my withdrawal history. But before that, if you happen to go to the affiliate link, you can copy this link and then share with your friends. Copy the link and share with your friends. If anybody happen to invest on this platform, you'll be making profit. You'll be given commission on this platform. Okay, now I have 12 referrals and no one has been able to purchase the package. Okay, yeah, no one have been able to purchase the package, which is not bad because they are actually mining the free one. Okay, but for you, if you want to go ahead and invest, carry out your own research. You carry out your own research before investing. Okay, I repeat, carry out your own research before investing. So guys, you don't need to make don't just joke with this side, because I'm withdrawn from it. Okay, I've withdrawn from it. So let's go to my withdraw and click on withdraw. Okay, now once you click on withdraw, you're gonna ask to paste your Solana wallet address, and then you click to paste it, and then you click on withdraw. I cannot withdraw this because this is not up to the minimum withdraw. Okay, now the minimum you can withdraw is 0.002 Solana, and the maximum to withdraw is 105 Solana. Okay, gas fee, you're gonna charge a gas fee of 1.5%. okay, now the arrival time is just 10 minutes. My own was not, when I withdrew, it was not up to 10 minutes. Just within 5 minutes I got it, a notification on my Trust Wallet, and I checked it, it was there. Okay, now the same validator can withdraw Solana without any restriction. Processing time automatic through Solana scan.io, depend on the queue in the blockchain. Okay, so guys, you can go ahead, and then if you want to invest on this, because I've been able to withdraw, I'm gonna try it with a little amount of Solana. I'm gonna try with the lower package. So let's go check on the lower package to invest on. Okay, why? Because I've been able to withdraw from the site. But do not put your hope and trust on this site. If you want to invest what you can afford to lose. I'm gonna go ahead and invest on this site, and then I'm gonna invest what I can afford to lose, because this site may crash at any time. Okay, It can crash at any time. But it is not necessary you must invest, because I have been able to withdraw the free one. So you can go ahead and mine the free, just that it's going to take you some time for you to mine to the minimum threshold. Okay, now let's go back to my wallet. Let's go back to my dashboard. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Okay, so guys, the minimum to invest, those are the investment plans. Okay, these are the investment plan. Now the minimum to invest is 0.15 Solana. Yeah, and rate per day, you're going to make 0.75 Solana. I think I can go for this one. I'm going to invest. I'm going to go for this one. I'm going to give it my first try. I'll go for this 0.15 Solana. Okay, I'll go ahead and invest on this. And then now have the level 1, which is a 3.5 Solana, and you'll be making 1.15%. Then we now go to level 2, 20 Solana, you'll be making 1.40%. And then we'll now go to level 3. The minimum to invest is 150 Solana. I'll be making 1.95%. Okay, 1.95%. So guys, this site is paying. This site is paying for now. This site is paying. And duration, this is not going to last forever. Okay, it has expiry date. Now any plan that you choose, it will be last for 30 days. 30 days. Okay, any plan you choose will be last for 30. Okay, we have 30 days. Okay, and we have 90 days, we have 180 days, depending on the plan you chose. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my withdrawal proof. I'm gonna go ahead and check on my Trust wallet. I'm gonna show you my withdrawal proof, so just stay tuned. And then let's go back. So guys, this is my Trust wallet. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and search for it, so just come back. Okay, now here we have it. Here you can see I've been able to withdraw 0.002 Solana. It may look small, but this is actually paying compared to the platform that you end up wasting your strength and mining. At the end of the day, you won't be able to withdraw. So guys, I've been able to withdraw this. This you can see my withdrawal landed successfully, 0.00229. So I don't know how long this platform is going to last. So my next withdrawal, I'm going to allow it to mine to maybe 1 Solana, and then I'm going to withdraw. But before then, I'm going to go ahead and invest on the minimum, on the lowest investment platform there, on the lowest investment plan. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and invest on the lowest investment plan there. So I will choose the lowest one, and then I'm going to invest and then see how it looks like. I'll go ahead and then I'll go ahead and update you guys with the info. If you want to invest it, just go ahead with the lowest plan. If you really want to take the risk, go ahead with the lowest plan and then invest and see how it works. But I would advise you to go ahead and do the free one. If you really want to invest, make sure to carry out your own research before embarking on this. Okay, make sure to carry out your own research before investing. But I'm gonna go ahead and invest on this. Okay, I'll go ahead and do it, and I know I'm taking the risk, and anything can happen. It can crash, and I can also make profit on it. Okay, so if you want to do that, have that in mind, that online business does not last. Okay, it does not last. So do not invest all your effort on this. Do not put all your hard any money into this. You can just go ahead and give it a trial with a smaller plan, with the lowest plan, and then withdraw you, because this withdrawal is on a daily basis. You can withdraw at any time. Once you accumulate the minimum threshold, you can go ahead and withdraw. And also, like I said, do not use Binance to withdraw this. Use Trust Wallet, because if all the platform has the minimum that it can take. So just go ahead and check on their threshold, and then before you send any of your coin to any of the platform. If not, you're going to end up losing everything. You're going to end up losing everything. So guys, this is my withdrawal proof. So this site is actually paying. I'm going to go back to the site. Oh, nice. Solana. I'm going to go back to the site. So here, this is my Solana, and this is these are the plans. These are the plans. So just go ahead. If you want to invest, go for the lowest one. Do not go for the 150 minimum. Do not go for the 20. Invest what you can afford to lose. So I'm gonna go ahead and invest what I can afford to lose. Okay, so I'll be dropping this video here. If you have any question, go to the comment section and drop your question. Follow me on my Twitter, on my handles, my Telegram, and my Twitter, okay, for more updates. And then share this video with your friends. Accumulate Solana now that the crypto market is down. Is down. You can be able to accumulate more Solana as much as you can now that the market is on bearish. Okay, so do not misuse this opportunity. Make use of this opportunity. Accumulate more Solana as much as you can now, and remember that this is totally free. And if you want to invest, do well to carry out your own research, as I will not be held responsible if you happen to lose your fund. Okay, I'll be dropping here. Do well to subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Then go to the comment section and drop your comments. I'll do my best to answer all the questions. See you guys on my next video, and bye bye.